Okay, so welcome everybody to our webinar about our Tidypay mPOS solutions. My name is Lars. I'm a technical consultant here at Tidypay, and I'll be leading you through the main part of this webinar. We also have Aydin here, one of our partners from Tilty. Should have a few slides. Yeah. So I'll kick the ball over to him sometime during the middle here. Of course, anyone going to join, they can keep coming. Post any questions you want in the chat for either me or Aydin. Might answer them during the talk, else we save them for the end. Yeah, I think we're good to go. So first of all, Tidypay. We are an omni-channel payment service provider certified for 32 countries across Europe. So we deliver all kinds of payments, e-commerce, mobile, and terminals. We have API solutions, token solution for subscriptions. Our goal in general is to deliver any kind of payment for any kind of platform. So we have projects ongoing and projects for the future regarding new creative solutions such as external payments platforms as like Alipay, crypto options, everything. So if we don't have it right now, we aim to have it pretty soon. Our general goal, our vision is to make payment easier on every level. So that includes for customer, want it to be fast and easy and understandable and quick. We want for our partners to be able to integrate quickly, have overview of their customers, everything to be not only fast and secure, but also viewable and easy to understand. So one of our main segments for this is a growing trend that we see for payments to becoming mobile. That, of course, includes our exciting project for SoftPOS, getting payments to the mobile itself, but also for payments terminal proper. We're seeing a trend where as hardware has progressed, things are coming more compact, more small, more efficient, better design. It opens up for new avenues for how our partners can use those terminals. So in a traditional sense where there might be a big counter where someone stands behind it with a big screen, right now you can get everything on a single device. You can bring it with you. Maybe the person can be on the other side of the counter and talk to the customer instead. So the expansion in the technology and people's habit of tapping the card more, people getting more used to mobile phones, has made change in the industry, for open up a new avenue for people, how we treat payment and how the flow of payment goes. Like you see the statistics from Forbes here. There's a lot more mPOS devices in circulation now than there was just a few years ago. So, and one of our big advantages of Tidypay that we have made this partnership with SUNMI that has some great mobile terminals I'm going to go through, which opens up for a new kind of flexibility and usability. We call this product Tidypay 1, which is when we take a SUNMI terminal and we load it with our Tidypay payment software. Once loaded, you can take payments by all the traditional means. You can swipe, you can tap, you can insert. And of course, that opens up for a big variety of possibilities. So you can use these as more traditional payment devices. You can have them mounted on the tail for a traditional retail store, as you can with any existing pet device. But you can, of course, also use them as mobile solution, an mPOS solution. You can use them for festivals. You can use them for leasing them out for events. You can use them for transportation, which is a huge advantage. So by doing integration to our Tidypay 1 devices, you are opening up your software to work in any kind of environment, regardless. So one of our main products in this category is the P2 Pro, SUNMI P2 Pro. Slick, black and orange, modern design with a big tapping screen. So as you see in the picture, a big clear screen where you put the card. It has a built-in printer. So this is the ultimate all-in-one device. You can get your payment receipt or your POS receipt at the top. There's a variety of integrations you can do with our gateway regarding how you want to utilize that printer, how you want to experience on screen to be. Of course, for example, with tokens, someone can tap their card on the device and then save the token, and you can start a subscription from that token. So you pay one time to start a subscription. It has a built-in scanner and a printer, of course, and a big, slick, modern design. So where you traditionally would see normal, more boring gray and big button device in traditional retail stores, you can now use this one. And of course, you can charge up. It has several days of battery, from our experience, once it's fully charged. And you have option for 2 SIM cards. So good connection, good battery. The more compact option is this one, the P2 Mini. So this one this is the size of a mobile phone. You can put it in your pocket. It has the normal options for swiping a card, inserting a card in the bottom, tapping a card. So this is a great addition or option for environment where that is important. A traditional use case would be a waiter that could have, for a restaurant, you can have this one, the big one at the till, at the bar, and then the waiters would go around with the small Mini, and they would take payments on those at the table. And then even our third option, that's even more flexible and possibly even smaller and more affordable, is Tidypay, our softball solution. This one we're planning to launch pretty soon, in a few months. It's really simple solution where you download the app from Google Play Store. There's a tiny process for application and insertion, and then your mobile phone are ready to be used as a payment device. And of course, you can easily see then that there's sort of have 3 levels of size options. And that would also include tablets, so you can make the tablet itself as a payment device. So any device that has Android 10, are Google certified, and has built-in NFC can become a payment device through our Tidypay solution. And that also includes a cloud solution, because our payment app, our Tidypay terminal payment app, is the same everywhere. So if you do an integration towards softballs, you have automatically done an integration towards Tidypay One. If you do the integration towards Tidypay One, you've automatically made an integration towards Tidypay Go. So those are, by partnering with Tidypay, you get automatically an abundance of options, not only for every kind of payment, but also a really wide variety of terminals. These are all payment solutions. We are a partner-driven company, so everything we do is in accordance with our partner. We only want to promote our partners for them to be able to provide any kind of POS solution they want, any kind of payment that they want on any kind of platform. We do not only own your customers, you control everything yourself. We only want to make your payment dream possible. So one of our existing partners and a great solution is Aydin here from Tilti in Scandinavia. So I'm going to give the word over to you, Aydin, for you to talk about Tilti.
Sure, and thank you. Yeah, I'm the CEO of Tilty. We are located in Denmark. We have spent a lot of years developing POS systems, and our latest take on this is our Tilti app. This app is a hospitality application for every kind of thinkable thing in the hospitality business. We have a solution all in one. Our application runs both on iOS and Android, and with that, it opened up for the possibility to get it on all Tidypay terminals. So today we are running it on the P2 Pro, and you can actually download that application from the SUNMI App Store today. We would be releasing our application also for the P2 Mini on the SUNMI App Store. And besides that, you can even download and use our application from either Google Play or Apple's App Store. And it's an all-in-one solution where you have both the point of sale, you have the payment, and we have some add-ons like business intelligence for the more data-driven companies. We have takeaway solutions for online takeaway. We have integrations with 2 large providers, delivery providers, which is Hungry and Vault. So basically everything that you need for either fast food, and that'd be one single unit or up to a chain, we can handle that. We have, besides these things, we also have integrations with some bookkeeping systems, so everything can be fully automated all the way around. We have QRs, so you can scan at the table, order. But yeah, we basically have everything that you need for a hospitality setup, and it is, in our opinion, quite an innovative take on how we can run a POS system, all by having it on your phone. You can even control your whole business, your whole chain, just by downloading the app and basically controlling every aspect, whether it's the workflow optimization or the product or campaigns, whatever you want, you can actually control that from the application. From the hardware perspective, we have done quite a lot with the P2 Pro and quite happy with that setup. It's all around good solution where for a waiter that does not want to go up and in and out to get receipts or anything, you have everything that you need on that actual device. You can start by just having that device. There's no old school master slave setup. You basically can just have that single terminal connected to all the things that I just told about: bookkeeping systems, takeaway systems, whatever you want, because it's a full application that runs on it. And the next thing that we would like to see is the mini. So we will probably be releasing the full application for the mini quite soon. And then the next thing would be to look into the soft pay solutions that Tidypay will come with quite soon, because then you can basically just download our application, download the Tidypay application on whatever device you have, and then you would be able to start optimizing your business and also having everything set up exactly the way you want without the hassle of getting new hardware in. So existing hardware that you have out there is also something that you should just reuse. Do not throw it out. It's a good thing for the environment to not throw things out, and also for the economy, and not to waste things just to buying new stuff. But we've been quite happy. The customers has been quite happy with our solution, and after we took in the P2 Pro and Tidypay, they've been quite happy to have it as one all-in-one solution. There is also some laws in Denmark that are coming in now, that you need to have payment terminals integrated with POS terminals. So these things that actually makes it possible for us to apply those things. Besides that, yeah, we quite enjoy working with the P2 Pro and Tidypay on these type of projects. It's a good setup, and the customers that we have, from small to really large chains, they're all happy with that product. So yeah.
Great. Tilti here is one of our best examples of someone really utilizing our whole lineup. So they have, as Aydin just said, they have a multitude of different scenarios. They have a bunch of different terminals, utilize different channels for payment. It's really a good example, a prime example of how the mPOS solution really can open up new markets. With the mobility, with the portability, the all-in-one system, and such, it's easy to use them in any kind of environment. So a solution like Tilty, where you have the option to really nail down your configuration for whatever you want to do in a specific customer case, mPOS solutions really are a great new tool in that avenue. So if any of you would have any questions for me and Aydin, that would be a great time to shoot them out. Otherwise, you can, of course, shoot them to us later and reach Aydin, I believe, on their website, tilty.com.